Work on being in love with the person in the mirror who has been through so much but is still standing.
Don't talk, just act. Don't say, just show. Don't promise, just prove.
It takes a strong heart to love, but it takes an even stronger heart to continue to love after it's been hurt.
We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret.
One day you'll wake up and realize your own worth. You'll be embarrassed by what you used to settle for and never give up your value again. Life isn't about getting and having, it's about giving and being. Life is what happens to you while you're busy making other plans. Life is 10% what happens to me and 90% of how I react to it.
Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life.
And an unexamined life is not worth living. Life is what happens to you while you're busy making other plans.
Learn top things English.
Subscribe.
I am not a product of my circumstances. I am a product of my decisions. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once he grows up.
You can never cross the ocean until you have the courage to lose sight of the shore.
Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right.
The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why.
People often say that motivation doesn't last. Well, neither does bathing. That's why we recommend it daily.
Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Whenever you see a successful business, someone once made a courageous decision.
A project is complete when it starts working for you rather than you working for it.
A business absolutely 7 devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. Every sale has 5 basic obstacles: no need, no money, no hurry, no desire, no trust. Know what you deserve and be patient. Don't ever settle.
Once you learn how to be happy, you won't tolerate being around people who make you feel anything less. It's going to get harder before it gets easier, but it will get better. You just got to make it through the hard stuff first. Never forget who was there for you when no one else was.
Waiting for someone else to make you happy is the surest way to be sad. If you have nothing to be grateful for, check your pulse.
Never settle for anything less than what makes you truly happy. It's not the situation, it's your reaction to the situation.
Thanks for watching.